let's say we want to model traffic to our buckets from our application. So generally, you only ever want a certain set of IAM roles, or maybe only a certain set of instances to access our data buckets. And because we have this information with S3 server access logs, we can start to write a little bit more complex rules. So this is another example where we're doing known good traffic based off of IAM roles. So the requester field has these assumed role ARNs, and you can create these patterns where you say, okay, anything matching this bucket name pattern should only ever be accessed by these assumed roles. And these could also be users. It could be anything in AWS that is an identity. So it's users, roles, and some others. If you use federated users, etc. And all you have to do as the analyst is you just update this role mapping, and then you update your rule, and then it will start to take effect. And one way to increase the reliability and the confidence that this rule will actually fire is by using tests. So Panther has a built-in unit testing framework that just allows us to ensure that our rules are working. So you can actually copy these events from the UI itself. So whenever you get alerts, you can go and see the associated events, and then you can actually copy paste those events back into the rule itself, into the rule tests, and then make sure that these scenarios that we know are common are covered. And then if we want to do modeling based off of IP CIDRs, it's a very similar structure. So we have variables at the top of our rule, and all we need to do as the analyst is say, okay, this is the network of our VPCs, and these are the buckets that we want to ensure this traffic is only coming from. And you could also use the same type of logic if you want to make sure that caching is only pulling from your bucket. Or if you have a corporate network that's only accessing buckets, you can model all these different scenarios that are common to you. It's all based off of your own internal business logic.